Righto, hello everyone. We're going to move on to the next part of multiplication and division, and we're going to start moving things into shared equal groups and writing number sentences for them. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is this symbol here. Now this is our division symbol that we put in our number sentences. So my turn, division, your turn. Fantastic. So we have now 4 symbols that we can put in number sentences that will help us. One of them is adding, one is take away, one is times, and then there's this one, divided by or shared by. So let's go through this one here to begin with. And if you need to pause it, that's absolutely fine. But let's read it. It says 20 divided by 10 equals. So that tells us that I have 20 of something shared by 10 groups of something. So let's make 10 groups of our bags just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just put them all here, shall we? So if I spread these out just a little bit, I have 20 sweets and I need to share them equally between 10 groups. Now in the last video we saw that we went just like this. I'm going to do 1. Oh, it's gone behind it. 2. Oh, shared. Oh, well, just have to put them there so you can see them. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe it looks like I'm putting them in the bag. There we go. There we go. Each group bag now has got 1, so let's share out the rest, shall we? So it looks to me like each bag is going to get... Oh, looks like we're going to get 2. Right, let's just double check that each bag has got the same amount. What's that? Oh, is that? Yeah, that'll do it. Right, each bag here has now got 2. So actually, 20 divided by 10 equals, let me get my pen out. Pen equals 2. I hope that's clear, guys. Should we do another example and you can practice these at home? So now I've got 25 divided by 5, which means I have 25 donuts and I need to share them equally between 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure that these are all in the right centre back, centre back, centre back, centre back. Let's make sure this one is as well. Right, okay, so I have 25 donuts shared equally between 5 groups. So if I spread my groups out a little bit, it might make it a bit easier. Right, let's go for it. 1, douche, douche. Remember, I'm doing this one at a time so that I'm careful that I'm not making any mistakes. Now, some of you might have noticed a pattern by now and say, oh, you can start counting in 5s for this because it says 5. But for now, let's just share these hideous looking donuts out 1 by 1. Doosh. Right, last 3. Then we're going to double check that they all have the same amount. Right, this group's got 5, this group's got 5, this group's got 5, 5, 5. So it is equal. Now we can see here the 25 donuts shared equally between 5 bags equals 5 because we have 5 donuts in each bag here. Now practice some of those with your adults at home. See what you can come up with and take pictures on tapestry. But let's just address something here with our reasoning task. Does this number sentence match the shared groups? 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Does this picture show us 15 divided by 3? Pause the video and chat to your parents and your adults. Does it equal? Or sorry, is it the same? Right, hopefully you've had a little chat. And I hope you've come to the answer that no, this does not show us 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 15 divided by 5 does equal 3, but our picture doesn't show that. Our picture shows us 15 divided by, so we have 15 blue things, and they went and shared them equally into 3 groups, which we can see inside equals 5. It's a subtle difference, but we need to make sure that we can see this, all right? Just to address that misconception. So adults, give this a practice with everybody and take some pictures, put them on Tapestry, and we'll see you in the next lesson. All right? Cheers, guys.